Hi guys, welcome to beautiful downtown Winnipeg. This is your first learning video from me. I welcome you to the online learning systems of Red River College and our online learning activities and assessments for this program. It was great to get to know you on the first day. We're so proud to have you. You all have a great future. And I hope this will be a good, positive time for you to take English for academic purposes. This week's online lesson might seem simple or familiar or maybe a little strange. We want to work with the friendly topic of general Canadian culture and life, but we're also using a special skill. It's called inferencing. Consider a nice close example. You heard me talk at least once about the parking problems of the LTC. Naturally, you'll make conclusions about the whole situation, right? You heard me talk about how I park and then I bike every day, even at minus 40 degrees. Maybe you made the conclusion that Michael is crazy. He's a frozen monster. He's a robot. From the parking situation, you concluded that maybe the college doesn't have enough money for students because they should pay for parking. Maybe someone is hiding the money from the parking. I think it's a complex system of stealing money from Winnipeg to Switzerland and then to Nigeria, where it pays for a rich Canadian lady to sit beside her swimming pool. Well, okay, that's all crazy. But maybe you did make the inference that students need to work hard to find good parking arrangements. That's not a bad inference. Maybe you made the inference that some students share a parking spot because it's so expensive. Maybe you made the inference that most students get the post-secondary student bus pass. These are all conclusions or inferences, and many teachers and educational books love to use the word inference nowadays because it just means to think extra, to think carefully, to think about something more than just the facts you see. Let's look at one last example of inferencing. I'm sure you all have some feelings and recent memories of the Hurricane Irma, which hit the Caribbean and Florida in the United States. This man, Alex Rodriguez, comes from Florida. He lives there, and he was following the evacuation from Florida on his vlog. Let's listen to it.
If you do not evacuate, there's no guarantee that our first responders will be able to reach you during or after the storm.
Oh my God, it's gonna hit the tree!
4369 Romeo.
He works at the airport, so stuff like this is pretty normal for you, right?
No.
So here's what's happening. There's a Category 5 hurricane coming to Florida right now. They're predicting that the eye is going to pass exactly by where I live.
How long have you been living here?
All our lives.
Your whole life. Thousands and thousands of people are evacuating. I'm not evacuating, I'm staying here. There's a lot of us that are staying here. Stay tuned on this channel.
Now, when Alex says, I'm staying, even when the hurricane comes, I'm staying, you might have had some inferences about why he said it. So, number one, he had no way to leave Florida. Number two, he wanted to stay to protect his stuff. Number three, he wanted to stay to have great video for his vlog. Number four, he was lying to protect his reputation or his stuff. Number five, he was crazy. Those are all possible inferences in the situation. You might have had some other ones. Now that we've talked about basic inferencing, good luck on your assessment. Think carefully about the basic facts, the things you already know, and make good conclusions.